I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and boy, you got me walking side to side. I'm talking to you, see you standing over there, but you.
What's up guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a huge glitter slimes review and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So one of my favorite parts was actually the packaging because the packaging was actually really good and each package came with borax, a care sheet, and one or two extras. It could be either candy or something else. So the first slime was Simpsons Donut, and this slime was $17.38. It was a glossy pink base with rainbow-colored beads scented like a donut. I loved the scent in the base. It had like a really good texture, and it was like soft and creamy. 1 out of 10, I'm going to rate this slime a 9 because this is probably just a slime that I would just love to play with every day. This next slime is the Cupids Corn Popcorn. It's a creamy, squishy base with crushed up foam pieces and large and small red foam beads with a chocolate strawberry scent. To me, it's more of a sweet cereal / strawberry scent. I don't really smell the chocolate that much, but like if you just went up to someone and said, "What does it smell like?" I would think strawberry. But the textures are really good and it gets sticky really fast, but I think just activating it will make it really good. And 1 out of 10, I'm going to rate this a 9 because it's honestly just a tie with the Simpsons Donut. So yeah. This next slime is the White Chocolate Hot Cocoa. It is a creamy, thick white chocolate base with fake marshmallows scented like the name. I love the marshmallows in the scent and the creamy base. I love how the marshmallows make it seem realistic, and I'm going to rate this a 10 out of 10 because it's a really good texture and it just like doesn't get sticky really fast. This is the salted caramel slime, but before we get started, the container broke a little bit because when I was putting it back in after I played with it, it broke. I don't know if it was because it was overfilled, but it just broke a little bit. Here's a clip. So this slime is a thick, glossy caramel scented base with fake salt. I love the salt because it makes it look more real and realistic. The slime is amazing because it has an amazing texture. And the scent is like really good. And out of 10, I'm going to rate it a 9.5. So this is honestly one of the coolest clear slimes I've ever seen. It is a clear, thick, non-scented slime with a red charm. It is called Diamond Heart. And it was really clear, well, it is really clear and really thick. And it's a really simple slime that I like. And it's a 10 out of 10. This slime leaked a little bit on packaging, as you can tell on the lid, but this is the pink Snowball slime. It is a creamy, crunchy, fake snow slime scented like coconut and chocolate cake. Out of 10, this is a 9.5. I love the scent and the texture. It has a really cool snow texture to it. The packaging is the only part, which as it leaked, that was the only part. But yeah, this slime is actually really good. I enjoy playing with it, and yeah. This is the Rainbow Chip Frosting Slime. It is a milky buttercream scented slime with rainbow foam beads. 1 out of 10, I'm going to probably rate this a 9 out of 10 because I love the base and I love all the foam beads and the texture. It's a good slime. It's not an amazing slime, but no hate against glitter slimes or the slime itself. This is the Strawberry Jelly Slime. It is a clear base, juicy red slime with little black seeds. It is scented like the name, strawberry jelly. I love the thickness, the clearness, and the scent. It's just a very simple slime, but at the same time it has a good scent. I wish this scent was a little bit stronger. It still has a really good scent, but I just wish it could be a little bit stronger. And 1 out of 10, I'm going to rate it a 9.5. This is the cream soda slime. It is a clear base, thick cream soda scented slime. 1 out of 10, I'm going to rate it 8 out of 10. I love the thickness. It's a simple slime, and the thickness is great, and the color. In the picture on the website, it shows a lot of bubbles at the top to make it sizzly, but then there isn't any bubbles, and I wish the scent was way stronger, but that's okay because the slime is really thick, and I love it. Starbucks Cake Pop Slime. It is a creamy, thick, baby pink slime with white foam beads scented like birthday cake. Out of 10, I'm going to rate this a 6 or a 7. I love the color in the base. It's a very creamy slime, and I like how they named it after Starbucks. The scent doesn't really smell like birthday cake. It smells like a really strong cherry scent. I wish there was a little bit more beads in packaging. The package was a little bit spilt and stuff, and it broke a little bit. But I think the slime's still good, but definitely not the best slime. But no hate. This is the Green Apple Laffy Taffy Slime. It is a sour green apple taffy scented slime, and I love the glossiness in the scent. It literally smells exactly like Laffy Taffy, which I love. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below on what video you guys want to see next. Click on the left if you guys want to see any more slime reviews, and click on the right if you guys want to see another story time. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Peace out.